Gratitudes 2010, something like that. I think, in spite of the difference in age, you and I are in that particular stage where when we wake up in the morning, we have to express our gratitude. Ikukwento kanina si John, si Attorney John, about the miracles in his life. The trials, the difficult times that he had as a student at PMA, and then how he hurdled, how he surpassed all those trials through faith. And indeed, what happened later, much later in his life, were nothing short of miracles. Excellence in college, magna cum laude something, and studies in London, nadala niya yung pamilya sa London. So amazing, amazing. Now the rest of us, I think, have reasons to say thank you every day of our lives. We say thank you for having our loving families. We say thank you for beautiful friendships such as yours. We say thank you for your professional business success. Even for things we take for granted, like good health, Doc Leo, tama ba yun, Doc? Si Doc Maki, di ba? Akala ko mag-o-OB ka eh. Si Lorna. Oh, yeah, okay. Hi, si Lorna, Doc din. Doctor. Good health.
Doc Teresa and Doc Elma.
Yes, among others. Among others. Now, one reason about gratitude, one reason I'm here is I want to publicly express again my gratitude to certain members of your class. Alam nyo, yung mahabang panahon, maraming taon, pagkatapos ng 1978, meron akong siguro dalawang nahihirap na panahon sa buhay. Panahon ng trials, challenges, and meron mga kaibigan tayo sa batch na to na tumulong sa akin one way or another. Si Alan Perez, si Ricky Calderon, si Jeff Silver. Minsan, I remember, matapos yung aking teaching career, I remember, nagkain naman kami nun, nila June, Rosete, si June Rosete. Nagsayaw siya mo sa ibabaw ng mesa. Ganon siya kalasig. Si June Rosete, si Bones, Aberion, sayang, nasa Australia, hindi na ako I think si Eddie Aitong. Yung kapatid niya, si Marites, kumari ko yan eh. Hindi na mag-isa kong anak na lalaki. I had an exchange of text messages with Alan a few days back. Doon sa mga messages ni Alan, laging lumalabas yung catch-up. The phrase catch-up. Madalas yun, catch-up. So this is about catching up with people who mattered to us or who mattered to you when you were younger. Now, allow me a bit of self-promotion because later I will get serious. This is the crazy part. Alan gave me so many minutes. I split it into two. One is the crazy part and the other is the serious part. Okay. So, this is about catching up with the lives of people who mattered to us and who still matter to us. I was saying, I have to introduce myself again because it's a long time and I'm going to talk on, by the way, my topic tonight is my choice. Saan kami? O, saan pupunta? Sa Cubao. Okay, sa Cubao. Eh, manonood ba kayo ng sine? Sabi niya, sir, hindi pa pwede. Ano lang, kanin lang. Okay. Hindi, dahil yung babae medyo old-fashioned. Naipit yung kanyang tangan. Okay. Sige. Ngayon, ano pang gusto mo i-consulta? Kasi alam mo naman, tagal ko naghintay eh. Tsaka mahal ko yung babae niya, yung babae na yan. So sana man lang, yung unang date namin, mahalikan ko man lang siya sa lips. Sa lips ka agad, ha? Gusto. Sabi ko sa kanya, no way. Nung time na yun, minore niya, wala pa. Something like that. Sabi ko, what? Hindi mo nakikita niya. Very conservative yun. Pag tinitingnan ko ang notebook niya, high school pa siya, lagi may mga picture ni Santa Clara eh. Hindi ka magtatagumpay dyan pagka ginawa mo ka agad yun. So, paano sir? Ibig mo sabihin, gano'n na lang kami. Ibig sabihin, wala mo lang parang touch or something. Sabi ko, hindi ganito. Strategy yun eh. So, ganito yung game plan natin. Huwag mong diretsuhin na ikis mo sa lips. Hindi siya handa para doon eh. Subukan mo muna. Ganito subukan mo na ganito. So, kakain kayo. O, diyan, Cubao pwede ka sa Aling Nenas. Alam niyo yan? Aling Nenas, yung mga bibigka, masarap doon. O, pwede ka sa Homing. Ano yung Homing? Ano nyo? Ha? O, sinoli, pansitan yun. O, malulok. Meron din malulok. Yung yung Homing, masarap ang noodles doon. At saka, mura. Hindi masakit sa bulsa. Eh, siyempre, pag college ka lang, nag-iipo ka ng allowance, mga isang kalahating buwan eh. Okay. So, sige. Kung big budget ka naman, wala kang problema, hindi magpunta ka sa Daiwitz, masarap ang... No, at the time, pinakamasarap yung hamburger ng hamburger. Sabi ni Ben Abados. Ng Chinese. Malaki. At saka totoong hamburger. Hindi pa bastardized hamburger. Okay. So magkasundo kami sa Cubao, kung saan kakain. Okay, so pagkatapos niya kumain, maghintay-hintay ka, medyo madilim nga, sabi